Petroleum Conference and Exhibition this month on the 9th up to 11th at Serena, Kampala. And the main objective of this conference is to get investment, enhance investment in the region by demonstrating the potential that we have in our oil and gas. And when we come together, we also put our case across to European governments to indicate that we are determined to exploit our natural resources, in this case the oil and gas, so that we are able to get the finances that we require to set up infrastructure that will see the region transit from using fossil fuel to the clean energy. The global narrative now is to reduce usage of sources of energy that emit greenhouse gases. So we have to target areas which generate money that we can invest in that transition. So we are set, and I want to call upon Ugandans who are going to host this to also find time and come and see the exhibition. I call upon everybody to come and enjoy the Pearl of Africa, our neighbors and beyond. This is your second home. You are always most welcome. Let us move together in the development of our natural resources so that we can see the entire continent prosper, the entire continent becoming proud of their natural resources. Thank you very much. You are all most welcome. Karibu and karibu tena.